Have you ever wondered how people transfer crypto from one wallet to the other? If you're saying yes, then this is your video, because I'm going to be demonstrating how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Okay, so as you can see, I have so many crypto wallets here, but preferably I love using OKX and Binance. So what you need to do is, if you have crypto in your OKX wallet, you want to transfer it to Binance, start from the receiving wallet. Okay, so I'm gonna get into Binance. All right, so once I'm in, what I'll do is I will click add funds. Then I'm gonna go by on-chain deposit because I'm sending from an exchange. On-chain deposit. Then I will need to choose the cryptocurrency that I'm depositing. So it's USDT, right? Click there. Then choose the network. Choose the network. So I'd rather you go by TRC20 or BNB Smart Chain. I don't know if OKX has BNB Smart Chain, so I can go and check, but I'll go by TRC20. Then when I click TRC20, there will be an address that I'll need to copy from there. Copy it, then head on to OKX. All right, I've copied the address. I'm now opening OKX. Wow, so I've logged on to OKX. What I'll do is I'll click assets in the bottom right. Then click withdraw. Then I'm gonna choose one of these. So I'm gonna choose withdraw crypto. Boom, so I will click USDT. Then here, I need to click the second option, right? On-chain withdrawal. Okay, so here they want me to choose the network, right? So I'll need to go by Tron TRC20. Okay, so they're saying network fee will be 2.3 USDT. Let me check if they have BNB Smart Chain. All right, so no BNB Smart Chain, so I'm gonna go with TRC20. And what I do is I will punch in. I will simply tap and hold on top there, then paste in the address I copied from Binance. Then when they say withdraw amount here, on withdraw amount, I'll simply click max and then submit, and everything works. So that side, the recipient will receive for 47.7 USDT. So let me just do that. I'll punch in the address on top, then submit at the bottom here. And here we go. This is what you're gonna see, 47.7 USDT on the way. And boom, crypto has arrived. So I have 63.97 now, which I can now sell out, right? Let me now demonstrate how to sell out. Though I've done a video on how to sell out crypto. Let me do that. What I'll do is I'll click assets, then click send. Thereafter, I'm gonna click sell to ZMW. Thereafter, I'll make sure that I choose everything that I'm seeing here. Okay, choose everything that I'm seeing. Okay, so I'll punch in all the that's 63.7 0059009. Yeah, then hit preview order. And confirm. So these are verifications that will follow. You can do them on your own.